Hi, my name is Erika Schreck with Turtle Healing Energy, and I am in the Earth Day is Every Day series now in 2020. It is April 13th, 2020, and I've been running this daily series as a daily post on my Turtle Healing Energy Facebook page. So be sure to check that out. I will provide the link in the notes below. And I wanted to just take some time to share some specific products with you, some new things even that I have been trying, because I have to say, in this last year, since 2019, I've been doing a lot more. I've always been very eco-conscious. Even as a kid, it really bothered me to realize the waste that we were producing. When I was 15 and worked in a grocery store, I actually started a recycling program there. And so today I'm here because I want to tell you about my journey with looking at the fact that I had this plastic handle razor that I used to shave. And I have to tell you, I have had it for at least 20 years, maybe more. So I've been using it. It's the Venus multi-blade shaver. And as I continued to buy replacement blades for it, I was admittedly getting concerned, a little irritated with the fact that those blades are held by a plastic disc, okay? So I was looking at options, and the handle is aging after all this time. So I thought, what can I do that's more eco-friendly? And what kept coming up in my research was this idea of a safety razor, which might not be new to some of you. And I remember, growing up with the safety razor. My dad would shave with one, for example. And then, of course, what came on the scene were electric razors. And then we had other options that, again, incorporated plastic. So I feel like we're going back. So after much research, I'm kind of a ridiculous researcher, and reading reviews, I chose this one. And this is not a complete unboxing video, but I did put it back in the box just to show you what you get. This is the Vikings blade, the Chieftain. And I did end up getting this one on Amazon, admittedly. And so when you open this lovely box, there's a little magnet that holds it close, little mirror inside. What you see is this beautiful razor. And one of the main reasons I went with a safety razor is because it is, if I would ever get rid of it, and even down to the blades themselves, it's completely recyclable. Where I live here in Boulder, Colorado, we actually have a place called EcoCycle, which takes scrap metal. So, and there are certain protocols, I want to make it clear, for recycling blades. So I can always answer that question later. But what's really neat about this, and I did put a blade in just so you could see it. Now, I have to say I wasn't actually going to get one like this, but ended up getting one because some of them, you actually unscrew the top, and that's how you access the blade that's inside. Okay, but watch this. So mine has a little twisty on the bottom, and as I twist it, look what happens. It opens up. This got the butterfly closure, and there's my blade. Very cool, right? And so you can, it kind of varies. I've actually used this, gosh, at least 5 times or so to shave, and I'm still finding that it's working. Now, if you read the benefits actually about a single blade like this, there's a greatly reduced chance of getting those red bumps. It gives a really close, fine shave. The biggest thing that I can tell you about working with a safety razor, I know it's scary because I was like, oh gosh, I'm going to cut myself. What's going to happen? There is a better angle that you will just naturally find if you, want to look it up. I think it's like 30 degrees or something that you're supposed to hold it at. And the biggest thing I can tell you is you do not apply pressure with a safety razor because it has more of a weight, and you just let it glide across your skin. So after you shave, you do want to open this up, and you want to take out the blade and dab everything off with a towel. You want to towel dry it all. And honestly, that hasn't been a big deal. So I've been okay with that. So I'm going to put the blade back. and just letting that set on there. I just think it's so cool. I'm gonna close it up again. And it's got two sides, so the blade is actually poking out here and here. So there's also an advantage with a safety razor to doing shorter strokes and rinsing as you go and using some kind of soap or oil, just as you would with another type of razor. So I wanted to introduce this product. I am actually loving this, and it does come with, and I have very sensitive skin, I admit, so you can get different types of blades, but it came with 5 of these wrapped blades. Okay, so in there's actually a wrapped blade. It's a little envelope. It's really super cute, just gotta tell you. But once you take that out, and again, you can get different blades for any safety razor that you have. Men and women both can use safety razors. So this little stack I keep in here. Okay, so, and when I store it in the bathroom, I actually have a little wire towel storage thing in my bathroom above the toilet, and I kind of just set it in there. So I'm not keeping it right now in the shower, but I can easily just grab it because it's right outside the curtain. So I just want to introduce this great product, and I love that it's all metal. I love that if I ever needed to retire this and recycle it, unlike a plastic handled razor that I just toss and it's adding plastic, I am using metal, which can again be recycled and feels more sustainable to me. So this is a product that again, I'm feeling really good about and feels earth friendly. And again, super exciting. And I was ready to retire my plastic razor anyway. So hope that's helpful for you. Again, have a wonderful day. Treat our earth like we want to respect her every single day. And I'm curious to hear your ideas, but do check out my series on Facebook to get inspired and to always be learning and seeking new ways that we can be more eco-conscious and taking care of our earth and respecting our earth even more. Be well.